on each referral with MiCard, we have a couple different ways. We actually have set up a system in the back end with our tech stack. We have multiple dashboards. You won't see them. We have them all comprised into one for you. That actually gets paid out through your PayPal system. Because obviously you want to know how you're going to get paid, right? You want to know where your money's coming from? That makes sense. Well, what we do is we got all of your affiliate commissions. They get paid through your retailers like Home Depots, Lowe's, Best Buys, Ultas, and all the Walmarts and Targets. That all gets put into one dashboard. Then we have another one that comprises of all the income that you could generate through actually sharing your card. Because again, just by sharing the card to people and them signing up to have their own MiCard, there's an additional revenue that you unlock. We have an additional revenue of about 4 other income pools. So we've got several ways to do, well, help you get your bills paid. That all gets paid to you through the back end office. You simply hit one button and it can go right to your bank account, check to you, or maybe go through PayPal. We are working on also having a digital card so you could actually just pay at the pump, pay at the gas station, walk in and pay for groceries and walk out the store. So MiCard is your solution for creating additional revenue and then enjoying it and spending it in local communities.